Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, down below is a link to buildingthatwealth.com. I have new articles posted on a daily basis. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Now, if you want to be updated with financial videos, entrepreneur type information and business and yada yada, subscribe. I've got videos posted all the time. In the last video, we spoke about just sitting down, going over your financial situation, and figuring out how much you should be making. I had recommended that you want to be close to a middle class income earning through your job. The process of growing will become slower, so you can become proactive. You don't necessarily have to quit your job to become rich right away. You can start investing in assets. You need to start building your assets. And the first set of assets in this diagram, when you are starting off just with nothing and you have no idea where to go, what assets. There's a lot of assets out there. There's certificates of deposits, real estate, businesses, 401ks, mutual funds, IRAs, those are retirement investments. But you're looking at all of this, and which one should you get into? And you're being told you need to diversify, and you've only have so much money for the year. So you're looking at all these assets. Where do you go? Well, let's break it down. Your first two assets will be cash and your checking account. Your cash that you have on hand and the money that you have in the bank. And this is going to vary very widely between people. And the two differences that I see between people are either you're a saver or you're a consumer. Where do you go from there? Let's say you've saved up anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. What asset can you acquire from there to keep your money growing? Because now you want your money to compound. You've got your paycheck coming in, and you put that money in the checking account that's earning 0.01% interest. So what's the next asset to acquire that will help grow your money that I recommend is the stock market or a mutual fund. Stock market being all you need is a laptop and you get on a website where you can purchase stocks. You do your due diligence, you see what companies are profitable. If you find it where you're investing in stocks and it's not going well, you're losing money, you can't handle the ups and the downs, because that's what the stock market does. It goes up and it goes down. And for the last 9 years, it's been going up at a very steady pace. And a lot of experts have claimed that the market will correct itself soon, which just means it's going to make a dip, and it'll go back up. It's what the stock market does. But let's say you can't handle that, and it just drives you nuts. Mutual funds might be a better option for you. That's a collection of investments. It's a collection of real estate, bonds, stocks, and other investments all in this fund, and a group of people are investing into the mutual fund. That may be an option for you. So what's the next level after you have stocks and mutual funds? From there, you can get into real estate or acquiring a business. That takes more capital. We'll talk more about real estate in future videos. So the bottom line is you need money to invest. You can ask your employer for a raise, but what will he or she say to you? Sure, I'll give you 50 cents or $1, or if you bring a lot of value to the company, maybe you'll get $5,000, which is great. That's more money that you'll be receiving. Or maybe they'll say, no, wait for the review, which is 6 months down the road. You're not in control of how much you make when you work for somebody else. So how can you raise your money? You can get a second job, but then you're working for somebody else, and it's kind of the same situation. You can only bring so much in when you work for somebody else. Start a business. I've started a business, and there's a lot of different jobs, and basically the idea is you're meeting a need for somebody. What industry can you get into that you've got the skills and you can meet people's needs? Is it landscape? Is it plumbing? Is it tiling? Is it real estate, like a real estate agent or a building inspector? Is it being able to design websites? There's a lot of different industries that regular people can just get into. It's nothing fancy, it's nothing exciting, and it can raise your income, and there's potential to make six-figure incomes in many of these industries. And the reason why I'm so ambitious and so driven is because I was poor and I got sick of being poor, and I got sick of all these different people online talking about getting involved in this and signing up for a seminar. I'm here to tell you, you don't need no seminar. You go to buildthatwealth.com, I'm giving you this information. And yeah, I'll have ebooks and things of that nature for sale, but I'm trying to give you the best information from what I've had in my life in developing your life in a financial situation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know with these topics, they can be kind of vague, and I can't cover the complexity of everybody's situation, but you can always email me, you can always leave a comment. I'm hoping to build a community of people who would like to just talk about this. I enjoy talking about it, and I hope it helps you. I hope it gets you thinking. At the very least, it should just make you inform. There's a lot of people out there that just don't understand money, and building that wealth will help you. Thank you for watching. We'll have more videos. We'll get more pinpointed on different topics such as real estate and stocks, not so vague. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.